Okay, what's going on, everyone? This is going to be a nice little quick video of an update of what I'm feeling with the market. I do have a swing position open, and I want to also talk about that I still haven't been back to day trading yet. I'm still waiting for my money to transfer because with NinjaTrader you could only do a certain amount each transfer. So I'm still waiting on that. The best bet I can say is me getting back to trading is literally next week. So it'll be almost a full month of me not trading, which is kind of good and kind of bad because I am missing out on money, and I also am, um, not losing money. The market has just been crazy, so I'm kind of glad I'm sat out on this because there's like lately if you use the ATR, man, it's like 30 points sometimes on these candles on the tick chart. So kind of glad I sat out on this month lately because market's been crazy. It's been too news based also, so I'm kind of glad. I'm not losing money. I am missing out on money, but I'm not losing money. So I think that's the best way I can look at it. But once I get my account back up, or once I get my money transferred into my account, everything will be good to go and we'll be, taking good ass trades and making dope ass money. Now, for my swing trade, let's get right into this. So my swing trade here, as you can see, I am on Meta, and I am using the same strategy as I am using as if I was scalping the ES futures, the E minis. Right, it's just a higher time frame. It's on the daily time frame, and the only time frames I really look at are the 2000 tick, monthly, weekly, daily. If we go to the monthly, we still are in an uptrend regardless. But if you look, let me go to my monthly. We broke out, and we're just waiting for a second leg pullback on this monthly, but we're gonna be waiting months for that. The weekly. Nothing, let me get here. Nothing really going on the weekly. The weekly, we're in a downtrend, but there's nothing for me to even look at because we haven't broke out of a channel yet, besides this uptrend, but then EMA's crossed, so no more uptrend. And the daily is what I was really looking at. Let me switch over to this right here. So like I do in all my other trading videos and my, learn price action trading with me videos, I always connect my channel from the highs until it breaks. And as you can see, we broke out. This candle opened above. If we come down here to this candle's low, we came up, pushed down. That's the first leg. And then this candle opened up, broke under this previous candle's low. That's the first entry. And then we made a new low. This candle came up. This candle formed. And then this candle on the 11th, which was last week, broke below this previous candle's low. The only thing is this candle is an inside bar. So I sometimes don't really like trading inside bars, but you got to do what you got to do. You got to take some trades every now and then. So I did put risk on. Not too much risk, but I only bought one contract. But yeah, we broke out, and then on this candle right here, when it opened, I kind of bought my contract late. And here's what I wanted to point out. I'll show you my position. These are my positions right here. I got my Meta swing, and then my NVIDIA and my SPY. I did have more NVIDIA shares, but I sold most of them just so I could have option buying power to buy this one contract for Meta. Yeah, as you can see, we're doing pretty good. We're up overall, which is awesome. I'm really happy about that, especially on our Meta swing. We're up 272. Earlier we were up around like 400, but that was during the day. And as you can see, if you look up here, 531. I have this level marked out, 535, because this is the one level I want it to break and open up under for tomorrow, just so we can try and retest 502.11. And if we get that, I'll be very happy because we're almost there to our strike price. Now, speaking about the strike price, I wanted to buy these contracts probably like all the way to June, right? The strike price is 481. So I bought a 480 contract, and like as you can see, you know, it's too expensive. I didn't have enough capital in this specific account to buy that. So what I did was, the best I could do was get these weekly contracts, and I have 25 days for Meta to just take a shit. And oops, here's my position. Let me show you where I bought it. Where did I buy it? Okay, I found it. So I bought one put contract, strike price 480. The trade price at 11.25, and we are now at 13.97. We were up more earlier in the day, but this is how it goes. I'm keeping a strong eye on this. Even though the market is technically open right now, I'm watching it. I need this to stay under 535. I need this to stay under 535. So these next 25 days, I'm going to be watching this like a hawk. So this will be my main focus until all the rest of my money is back into my NinjaTrader account, to where I can finally start, day trading again and scalping. That's kind of basically all I really wanted to talk about. Because this is this YouTube channel is my trading journal, and yeah, just wanted to talk about it. This is my swing position. I will definitely be updating every now and then with this swing position when I do come out with a video. But that's my whole spiel that I've been doing. So Meta is our main watch right now, since we're not fully trading yet. We're swinging this thing. So we got 25 days until these weekly contracts expire. So I'm going to be watching it the next couple days, especially probably a week later, or a week or two later. I will figure out what I will do with these contracts, but I really need Meta to just absolutely take a shit. So we shall see. And yeah, just wanted to make a quick video. That's all I got for you tonight. And like I said, I'll keep you updated on this Meta swing. And happy trading. I hope everyone's trading safe, and I'll see you when I'm back fully trading.